Oh my gosh, I love that I can have a fire inside the house. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this little tabletop fire pit. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This little fire pit is so stinking cool. And yes, you can use it indoors or outdoors. Yes, indoors! It really doesn't create any smoke, and the fuel doesn't really have that much of a smell. It's like an ethanol gas, so you can light this up and enjoy a little tiny fire anytime you want. My favorite thing about this is that I can make s'mores anytime I want from inside the house, and they taste just like they do on a fire outside. So this thing was super easy to use. All you have to do is put the fuel into the fire pit, light it with a long stick. Don't try to light it with a lighter because it's gonna go whoosh and it's gonna try to burn you. It's gonna take around 10 minutes for the outside of this to heat up. You're gonna be able to feel that ambient warmth as it's heating up. When you're done, slide the lid over top of it and the fire is gonna snuff itself right out. And you'll be ready to use it again next time. It's smoke-free. It creates heat that you can cook on. It also creates heat that you can warm your hands with. It's just so much fun, and it's so stinking cute, and it made some pretty epic s'mores. If you're looking for a fun little tabletop fire pit for indoor or outdoor use, we recommend this.